Hi everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm a digital marketer with 5 years of industry experience. And today in this video, we are going to review Freelancers Academy digital marketing course. But first, we go ahead. I would like to discuss what really digital marketing is because it's such a broad field with opportunities in social media, SEO, content writing, content creation, performance marketing, and all. And the companies will look at your communication skills, analytical ability, and your portfolio, right? So you don't need to learn everything. You just need to be great at one or two focused areas, and you're good to go. Now, if you are really serious to learn digital marketing, then I have provided a link of my personal recommendation, which I personally love and trust, is already linked in my description box. Please go and check out, and you can even compare it with other courses, right? And now, if I come to the course review, then basically this course is a Mumbai-based course, and this is even providing you the agency-based learning, digital marketing, and the UI UX course. So if I talk about the hands-on curriculum and method, then we just directly go to the curriculum section. This is not that much famous institute, but they are providing the AI plus digital marketing course. So it is rated as 4.8 on Google and 4.6 on Trustpilot. They are providing you the certifications of Google, HubSpot, and Meta. And let's go to the curriculum section directly. So in their for module one, they are giving you the digital marketing overview. Then they are providing mobile marketing, remarketing, SEO, on-page SEO, content marketing, blog marketing, competitor analysis, email marketing, WordPress, lead generation, and all, including everything, I guess, because they are even providing you some of AI modules in this. And so basically they have slightly elaborated their modules, their curriculum, and they have 40 digital marketing modules, right? So the standout feature is you will learn on live campaigns through their in-house agency, which is Anuva, real world exposure from day one, right? There are the AI tools that you will learn in this course, which is designs.ai, Chingo, Mojo AI, Praise, ChatGPT, Fleeky, and all. So these are the tools which you will gonna learn. If I talk about the delivery of this course, so basically, the duration is 3 months and the hours of learning are 85 hours. They are even providing with the 2 months of internship, right? And they have a learning flexibility in which you can learn online or attend physical classrooms as well in Mumbai, which is Andheri, Thane, Navi Mumbai, Charni Road, etc. So their batches options are flexible, weekday and weekend batches schedules available in their course. Placement partners like Accenture, Perform, Indigo, Anuva, and all. So these are the respected and the reputed. Uh, so these are the reputed companies in which you can get hired. So if I go to the placement assistant and all, so basically it is not a placement guarantee course, but it is a placement assistance course only. And they're providing you the 50% of average salary hike, and the placement rate is 95%. And the highest package is 9 LPA, which is slightly less than other courses. The average package is 4.5 LPA, similar to the other courses. And they are even providing the guaranteed 3 months of internship. I don't know whether it will be paid or not, so you will have to check this with their team only. They have 20 plus digital marketing courses tool in this course, including Binge Ads, SCM Rush, Google Ads, and all. So these are the basic tools which should be there in our course. Now, uh, they have not mentioned much information about their course on their website. But if I talk about the trainers and industry alignment, then training is delivered by industry professionals working in digital marketing and freelancing already. So you are learning from the real practitioners, and no, not just in the teacher styles and the tool trainings and AI integration. So you are not just getting the so by the tools they have mentioned. It is clear that you are not gonna to. gonna learn the theory. You get to work with the tools like Google Ads, SEO platform, Mailchimp, Hootsuite, Canva, and all. So, if I talk about the pricing and the duration, then the duration I've already told you that it is for 2 months of training, and the fees is somewhere around. Let's check it here. How much they are expecting from us. The fee is not clearly mentioned, but as I know, the fee somewhere ranges from 30,000 to 35,000, which is, I guess, 34,000. And this makes it a mid-range investment in both time and money. So you can check it with their team, what they are providing in advance and complimentary, right? And if I talk about the placement support, they offer mock interviews and job assisted pipelines through their hiring network with student reported salary package between 3.3 or 8 LPA, which is an average. Now let's check. Now we can even check their reviews on Trustpilot and all. Here are some of their trainers, which are coming from the digital marketing background itself, but they have not provided the clear information about their trainers, so you would have to cross check with them. So they have also mentioned some of the student testimonials here. Obviously, they will gonna positive because they have mentioned it on their website. But if you need the extra information and transparency, then you can check the reviews over Trustpilot, Google, and etc. The pros and cons of this course is it is agency style learning with live projects, which is a pro, and they are providing you the solid tools and practical learning, the flexible batches and the job support as well. But the limitations are that they have few independent reviews available. Either you would have to go to the Trustpilot and all. They have not provided any job guarantee in their course. The program lacks coverage of the emerging topics like the Gen AI, which is missing it here, yes. And the placement result should be verified individually because you can't blind trust on this course because it is not that much popular as well. Now, if I come to my honest verdict, Now if I come to my honest verdict, then the course curriculum and relevance is good, but they are not providing the Gen AI. I will give it 0.5. The certification and recognition is good because they are providing the HubSpot meta and all. So the mode of learning is one because they have offline centers as well. If I talk about the trainer's expertise and industry experience, so it is also good because they are coming from the industry background only. Knowledge of tools and access is also good. I will give it one. Placement support and career guidance is not there. I don't know. They are not providing the recorded LMS and all. Course duration and fee structure is good. I will give it one. After course support is not there. I will give it 0.5. Reviews and reputation of institute is not as much popular. Hands-on learning and practical exposure is there. So basically, the overall course becomes 8 out of 10, which is a decent score. If you want, you can go with this course, but if you are willing to invest into the digital marketing course and if you are really serious, then you can even compare it with others in the same options with the same pricing because most of the course comes with the job guarantee and Gen AI program. So you will find better options as well. Now, if you're very serious, then I have linked up a personal recommendation into the description box. Please go and check this out as well. It comes with a 100% placement guarantee and the money back guarantee too. So you can check out that course as well. Now, if you have any doubts, just feel free to comment below and I will personally reply to you with all of the possible solution. And if you like this video, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you for watching.